Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. This is part 3 of our video into 17 trouble spots that signal car reliability issues. Thank you for joining us. We will uncover even more issues to be aware of before you make that buying decision. So, let's dive right in and explore further. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for the latest updates on car reliability. Trouble Spot 9. Excessive bouncing or vibrations, uneven tire wear, difficulty steering. Experiencing excessive bouncing or vibrations, uneven tire wear, and difficulty steering are signs that your car might be facing reliability issues. These warning signs can indicate potential problems that need to be addressed promptly to ensure your safety on the road. In this section, we will delve into each of these trouble spots and provide insights on what they could mean for your vehicle. Excessive bouncing or vibrations. If you notice excessive bouncing or vibrations while driving, it could be an indication of problems with your suspension system. A worn-out or damaged suspension can lead to an uncomfortable ride and affect your car's overall stability. This issue can be caused by worn-out shock absorbers, springs, or other suspension components that require attention from a professional mechanic. Ignoring this problem may result in further damage and compromise your safety. Uneven tire wear. Uneven tire wear is not only a sign of potential reliability issues but also a safety concern. When your tires wear unevenly, it can affect your vehicle's handling and traction, making it more difficult to maintain control on the road. Various factors can contribute to uneven tire wear, including improper wheel alignment, imbalanced tires, or suspension problems. Regularly inspecting your tires for signs of uneven wear and ensuring proper alignment and tire maintenance can help prevent further damage and improve your car's reliability. Difficulty steering. If you find it challenging to steer your vehicle, it is crucial not to ignore this problem. Difficulty steering could be an indication of power steering issues or problems with the steering mechanism. It may not only make maneuvering your car more difficult but also compromise your ability to respond quickly to potential hazards on the road. This trouble spot requires immediate attention, as steering problems can escalate and lead to dangerous situations if left unchecked. Consult a professional technician to diagnose and address the underlying cause of your steering issues. By paying attention to signs of excessive bouncing or vibrations, uneven tire wear, and difficulty steering, you can identify potential reliability issues in your car. Regular maintenance, prompt repairs, and consulting a qualified mechanic can help address these trouble spots, ensuring your vehicle remains safe and reliable on the road. Remember, being proactive and addressing these issues promptly will not only enhance your driving experience but also contribute to the longevity and reliability of your vehicle. Stay tuned for more trouble spots that signify car reliability issues in the upcoming sections of this article. Trouble Spot 10. Loud rattling noise and visible exhaust smoke. When it comes to car reliability, certain trouble spots can be indicative of underlying issues that might need your attention. Here we will discuss trouble spot number 10, which includes 2 potential warning signs: loud rattling noise and visible exhaust smoke. Paying attention to these symptoms can help you identify and address any potential car reliability issues promptly. Loud rattling noise. One common trouble spot that may indicate car reliability issues is a loud rattling noise. If you hear a persistent and unusual rattling sound coming from your vehicle, it could be a sign that there's a problem with the engine or other crucial components. This noise could be caused by loose parts, a malfunctioning exhaust system, or a failing catalytic converter. To diagnose the source of the rattling noise, it is advisable to consult a professional mechanic or take your car to a reputable service center. They will be able to conduct a thorough inspection and determine the underlying cause of the noise. Remember, addressing the issue promptly can prevent further damage and potential breakdowns in the future. Visible exhaust smoke. Another trouble spot to watch out for is visible exhaust smoke. If you notice smoke coming out of your car's exhaust, it can be a clear sign of an underlying problem. The color of the smoke can provide clues about the nature of the issue, so pay attention to its appearance. White smoke. White smoke may indicate a coolant leak, which can be a sign of a blown head gasket or a cracked engine block. This requires immediate attention to prevent engine damage. Blue smoke. Blue smoke is usually a result of burning oil. It can signal worn-out piston rings, valve seals, or a malfunctioning PCV system. Addressing this issue promptly can help maintain engine performance and prevent further damage. Black smoke. Black smoke is commonly associated with a rich fuel mixture or a problem in the fuel injection system. It can lead to poor fuel efficiency and potential damage to the catalytic converter. Seeking professional advice is recommended to diagnose and fix the issue. If you notice any abnormal exhaust smoke, it's crucial to have it checked by a qualified mechanic. They will be able to identify the root cause and recommend the appropriate repairs to ensure your car's reliability and performance. Being aware of the trouble spots like loud rattling noise and visible exhaust smoke in your vehicle can help you catch potential reliability issues early on. By addressing these concerns promptly, you can avoid more significant problems down the road and keep your car running smoothly. Remember, regular maintenance and inspections are key to ensuring your car's reliability and longevity. Trouble spot 11. Difficulty starting the car, engine stalling, misfiring engine. Experiencing difficulties when starting your car, encountering engine stalling, or having a misfiring engine can be frustrating and alarming. These issues can indicate underlying reliability problems in your vehicle. In this section, we will explore these trouble spots in detail. Difficulty starting the car. When your car is struggling to start, it can be a clear sign of potential reliability issues. Several factors can contribute to this problem, such as a faulty ignition switch, a weak battery, or a malfunctioning starter motor. Ignoring this problem could lead to more severe issues down the line. To troubleshoot difficulty starting the car, you can check if the battery terminals are corroded or loose. If so, clean or tighten them accordingly. It's also advisable to inspect the ignition switch and the starter motor for any visible signs of damage or wear. If the problem persists, it's best to seek professional assistance from a qualified mechanic. Engine stalling. Experiencing engine stalling while driving can be a hazardous situation. It can cause sudden loss of power, leaving you stranded and vulnerable on the road. Engine stalling can occur due to various reasons, including fuel delivery problems, a malfunctioning ignition system, or a faulty sensor. To address engine stalling, it's essential to keep up with regular vehicle maintenance. This includes changing the fuel filter and spark plugs according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Additionally, monitoring the fuel system for any leaks or clogs and ensuring proper ignition system function can help prevent engine stalling. Misfiring engine. A misfiring engine occurs when one or more cylinders in your car's engine fail to ignite properly. This can result in a rough idle, loss of power, and increased fuel consumption. Common causes for a misfiring engine include worn spark plugs, a malfunctioning ignition coil, or a problem with the fuel injection system. If you notice your engine misfiring, it's crucial to address the issue promptly. Start by inspecting the spark plugs for signs of wear or damage. Replace them if necessary. You may also want to check the ignition coils and the fuel injection system for any potential issues. Keep in mind that a misfiring engine can have detrimental effects on your car's performance and fuel efficiency, so seeking professional help is advisable. By understanding and addressing these trouble spots related to difficulty starting the car, engine stalling, and a misfiring engine, you can proactively maintain the reliability of your vehicle. Regular maintenance, timely repairs, and seeking professional assistance when needed will help keep your car running smoothly and minimize the chances of further reliability issues. Thank you for tuning in to Easy Driver. We've covered some crucial trouble spots in this video, but there's more to explore in Part 4. Stay tuned for the next installment, where we'll delve even deeper into car reliability issues. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to stay updated with our automotive insights. Thank you for watching. See you in Part 4.